All right, so I wanted to show you guys a quick view at this bowling bag that I got. So I've got some custom bowling balls that are being made right now, and I decided to pick up this bag to bring with me to tournaments. So right now, I just want to show you that I've got a 35-pound dumbbell that can go in here, and it's able to hold this dumbbell and probably a lot more. Here's what it looks like on the inside. You can see there are two spots for two different bowling balls. It also is going to have this piece in the middle, which is nice because it's going to block the bowling balls from touching each other. The other thing that's great is this will help hold them in place and top. So you can see that this is going to go across and it's going to zip down just like that. So making it nice and easy for you to just set this down, grab your bowling balls out, and then you can go ahead and just zip it right back up. Now up here at the top, you can see that there is a zipper and there's more space to put accessories and everything here up at the top. Over on the front is an even smaller pouch, so this could be something for like your phone, your wallet, your keys that you could just throw there on the side. You can hold this bag on your shoulder, so just like this, or it even has another handle that's up here at the top, so if you wanted to hold it vertically down like that. Then you've got your extension handle right there, and it comes with these rollerblade wheels, which are nice and easy for you to slide around on pretty much any surface, plus these stopper pieces right here, so that if you wanted to keep it in one spot, it'll stay. So if you're looking for a really good bowling bag, something that is high quality and has a bunch of different features to it, then I would definitely recommend picking this one up.